Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can tame a wolf in Icarus. Now first things off, you're going to need a few things to start the taming process. First, you're going to require the snare trap right here. If I check over to the tech tree, over in tier 2, you can find the snare trap and baits right here. And this will unlock the snare trap and the several different baits that you can make. Now the bait that I'm using for this trap is the wolf bait. If you're wondering where you can make that wolf bait, you can make it on the ranching station right here. Alright, back over to the ranching station right here, you can make the wolf bait through the use of 1 piece of raw stringy meat, 2 pieces of animal fat, and 5 pieces of spoiled meat. Alright, now on the snare trap, I've already placed down my wolf bait, and all I really have to do is wait for a wolf to take it. So I'll just get back to you once it's done. And now I do have a wolf right here, and the next thing I have to do is to bring him some food. Now I'm going to start hunting animals that I can carry all the way back to him. Now we would like to tell you this, that the wolf at this point, if he's still not tamed and he's still on the trap, he is going to still be a wild and aggressive wolf. So it's in your best interest to just sneak up and try to place down the carcass near him. Right here. Alright, he should be able to reach that, and as you can see, I already placed down 1 carcass right next to him earlier. And then, you just wait for him to eat this corpse, and then bring him another. Alright, now I'm probably about 10 minutes later, I kept giving him some carcasses that he can eat. And if you do have the talent where you can sense health bars of animals, and if it's not showing up for you, then that wolf should have been tamed. As you can see, Merlin and tamed by nobody. So I'm going to press F to release, and then press F to claim ownership. And that's pretty much about it on how to tame a wolf in Icarus.